Hello, it's another beautiful day, and today I am on the ugwu field. Yes, so I'm going to be showing you the proper way of harvesting your ugwu, because there's a whole lot to consider when harvesting ugwu. So I need you to pay attention, because once you have it harvested the right way, then you are really going to be helping your ugwu do well. Because once you harvest wrongly, you might end up killing your ugwu instead. But in harvesting, there are major things you need to pay attention to. You need to have your knife or scissors, and you need to have them as sharp as possible, because when they are sharp, they really cut the vines very easily. You don't have to stress or pull it extremely hard, because in the course of doing that, harvesting with your bare hand, you need to be a pro to really harvest directly from the vine without making use of your knife. But to be on the safer side, make use of your knife or scissors and ensure they are very sharp. So we are diving in right now. Let us see the proper way of harvesting ugwu. So let's go, guys. So guys, this is the proper way of harvesting ugwu. Proper way of harvesting. So what he aims at is the vine from the root. So that's what he pays attention to. So for you to do a proper harvest, like, you need to pay attention closely to what he's doing. It's not really after the length of the vine, but it's after those nodes. Like I told you, this one has just been harvested. As you can see, this is the root, and this, he left out 1 to 3 nodes after from the root of the plant. Yeah, as you can see, he's doing a great job. Okay, so that's just that about ugwu harvesting. I'm sure you enjoyed every bit of it. It's been an amazing time on the ugwu field. So basically, that is how you go about harvesting your ugwu, and you need to really harvest it right, so you don't waste anything, and you also pay attention to the nodes. Make sure you leave out about 3 to 4 nodes, and then harvest the rest of them, so you don't end up wasting the leaves, because once they get hardened, the market value is definitely going to drop. So guys, that is that about ugwu harvesting. More on ugwu is still definitely going to be dropping, I tell you. Yeah, bye for now.